Kennedy Tower, Cherokee 3028 Echo.
Cherokee 3028 Echo, Kennedy Tower, squawk 0323.
0323.
Cherokee 28 Echo, you can continue westbound at this time, and I can approve a full stop and then taxi back and not the low approach.
Alright, 3028 Echo will do the full stop taxi back. We're going to fly westbound at this altitude and wait for you, sir. 3028 Echo.
This is where you need to have a phone or a camera.
Yeah.
Once in a lifetime deal.
I don't know why this thing isn't charging or even powering up.
Cherokee 28 Echo, you're cleared in via straight in approach, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Cleared straight in, 31 right, clear the land 3028 Echo. Alright, we're at 1200 feet.
You do your thing while I do this.
And we're 5 miles, 5.5 miles. Alright, again, carb heat is coming on. All the lights are up, seatbelts are good. Still running on right side, 900 feet.
Not working.
Different screws real quick.
3 miles. If they could get it. And coming in with 10 degrees of flaps. Know when you're ready for whatever.
Go ahead, another notch.
Okay, flap 20.
This one I have a Vassie on there.
No, it doesn't.
Wind 330 at 26, gust 35.
And
There's 5 towns down there. There's Lowe's.
get my full flaps here.
Full flaps. 300 feet. And 80 knots.
You see the red jet blue plane there parked? Look straight down, you see it? The fire
yeah.
department, that's
Yeah.
the one I took back from Costa Rica to JFK.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Alright, 150 feet. 80 knots. feet, 80 knots. Just sunk there at 50 feet. At and 85 knots. I would clap, but I'm holding.
Cherokee 28 Echo, turn left when able, and then turn left onto Bravo. If you're able this left turn left onto Yankee Alpha.
Left Yankee Alpha, 28 Echo.
Number 28 Echo, turn left here onto Yankee Alpha, cross runway 22 right, and hold short of runway 31 right at Yankee intersection if you're able to.
Left Yankee Alpha, cross 2 right, and I forgot, I missed the other part of the info, sir.
And what's your direction of flight once you depart here?
We're going east.
Okay, now Delta 1278 over Meals to 31 left.
I'm going to taxi you down to runway 31 left. So continue crossing runway 22 right here, and then make the right turn.
Okay, clear to land on 31 left, say winds.
The wind is 340 at 21, gust 34.
340, 21, gust 34, Delta.
Gonna get us back to
1278
right.
Heavy, thanks sir.
Yeah.
Tower, good afternoon, JetBlue 164, visual 31 right.
Triple 164, Kennedy
he's getting
Tower,
us
wind
to 31
340
left.
at 21, gust 34,
Yeah,
runway 31 right, clear to land.
Because he wants to go back over the ocean.
164.
Right.
JetBlue 164, can you give me a pie rep on the Pappies, please?
Will do.
This is
Cherokee 828 Echo, turn left here on, would you like Yankee intersection or the full length?
Yankee's fine, sir. 28 Echo, turning left on Gulf.
November 28 Echo, just continue straight ahead then. Continue straight ahead all the way down and hold short of runway 31 left at Yankee.
Oh, continue straight, hold short of 31 left at Yankee 28 Echo.
Oh, you got that Delta coming in, huh?
Yeah.
Let me get my cam phone.
This is missing stuff. This is
Yeah, it's missing
something.
the thing there.